তো উত্তর বের করা লাগবে না তোমার।
What is React? Number one question. What is React?
React is a JavaScript based front-end library. It is component based. We create different components to make the UI, and also React is now being very popular among the front-end libraries. It is very light and not a framework, so it is very convenient to use it as a use it to make our websites.
জোরে বলবো।
আলমগীর ভাই আপনি করেন। Okay. My question is about HTML. Are the HTML tag and element the same things?
No, HTML tag and element aren't the same things. HTML tag is the starting and ending of the tag, and the starting and ending tag and the element inside it. It may be some text or other things is an HTML element. That means a starting and ending tag and some text or other things makes an element in HTML.
What are void element in HTML?
Void elements are elements that don't have any closing tag. They are also called self-closing elements, or elements without any closing tags. They don't have any content to contain within the starting tag and ending tag, so they are called void tags. Some of these tags are img and like there are some other tags.
Now, Shadab bhai. What is the difference between inline block and block?
Inline elements are elements that don't start from a new line, and block elements start from a new line and take up all the horizontal space available and don't let any other element sit beside them horizontally. But inline elements take the length as necessary to embed its content, and inline block are a new can be set to an element. Inline block elements behave like inline elements, but they have top and bottom margins. Some inline elements are a anchor, and a block element is paragraph tag, and we can set inline block as the display property of an element in HTML.
Alangir bhai. Okay. Now I'm asking you about JavaScript. Okay. What are the difference between null and undefined?
Null is assigned to a variable when the value is intentionally missing. We have to set null intentionally, but undefined is assigned to a variable when the value is missing unintentionally. It is missing by a mistake.
What is DOM?
DOM is document object model. JavaScript creates an object as JavaScript creates an object with the HTML with the HTML to style it and add different functionalities to it. it defines every element as a node. They are called DOM nodes, and there are some other things like that.
Shadows bhai, you continue.
Okay. What is state and prop in React?
State is a variable that can be changed at runtime. That means when the user uses the website, the state can be changed. And props is a value that is passed from a parent component to a child component. States can also be passed as props. So state is something changed, that can be changed, and props is something that is passed to a child component.
What are the stateless and stateful components?
Stateless components are components that don't have any states by themselves. They can receive a state by as props, but they don't contain any states. And stateful components are those opposite to the stateless components. Stateful components do have states, and they set the states, set new values to the state.
Angil bhai, you can ask.
Okay. How would you compare two objects in JavaScript?
To compare two objects, we cannot compare the two objects directly. We can take the values and compare them. And I don't have that much idea about it.
Find all prime factor of a number.
To find all the prime factors, we first have to check each. First have to run a for loop where we will check all the numbers that are greater than 0 and less than the number given, and then we will check if the number is divided by these numbers, and if it is divided, then we will check if it is a prime number. We will check it by dividing it with all the numbers that are less than the half of it. Thus we can check. Thus we can get all the prime factors of a number.
What is JSX?
JSX is a syntactic sugar in React. It is a way to write JavaScript and HTML side by side in React. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It is not exactly like HTML. It has some differences. And when we didn't have JSX in React, we have to create all the elements with react.createElement function, and it wasn't a pleasant experience for the developers, so JSX came up to solve this problem.
What is the purpose of callback function as an argument of set state?
Callback function as an argument of set state. Callback function passed as an argument of set state. Sorry, I don't know about it.
Okay. Difference between JavaScript and Node.js.
Node.js is written in JavaScript, and it is a server-side language, while JavaScript is a client-side language that runs in the browsers, and Node.js can be run in Node.js can be run doesn't run in the browser. It runs in other environments. Node.js can only be run in V8 engine, but JavaScript can be run in different engines that the different browsers have. And Node.js and JavaScript is written by C, etc. And there JavaScript is actually JavaScript can write the DOM and access the document, access the HTML elements, but Node.js doesn't have the power.
Is MongoDB a NoSQL database?
Yes, MongoDB is a NoSQL database. It doesn't have relation between the tables and rows.
Okay, Shadab bhai, now you. Shadab bhai. Shadab bhai.
Last question. What is context?
Context is a way to share the state between different components. We can use it by we can also share states from the parent with the child components by props drilling, but it is much difficult. So context API is much easier. We can just provide a value as the concept, set a value as the context, and then we can access it from any component that is under that context. We have to wrap the parent element, and it is a state management system in React.
Okay, Namisabu.
Thank you.
Great job. Okay.
Thanks.